On this series I've been going through on the book of Job, the last chapter, I think nilisoma chapter 7, where we discussed, and this is where Job spoke, and na akaongea some very deep things from his heart. Na akasema yenyewe, God, like one of the heaviest prayers he had to make was, God, that you let loose your hand and kill me. Like aliambia God, nataka tu kukufa. That's literally what he told God. And this thing has really spiked up in my spirit. Like mtu amefikishwa na Mungu point, anaambia Mungu, please God, kill me. You know? And now this has also taken me to the Apostle Paul. You know Apostle Paul in the New Testament, my favorite apostle. This one where Paul says, I, Paul, I died that Christ may live in me. And I've also found that there is a truth in this statement where it's like, you see what God truly desires for each and every one. Na sasa si mambo ati mapasta, ati watu wazee wa kanisa, ati those who are saved. Hapana. What God desires for each and every one of us, the wicked, the righteous, the nini, total surrender, total yote. Imagine, it is that bad. It is like you have to die that Christ may live in you. And it is so heavy. Actually, as I was thinking about this, nikaona, even our time on earth, yet it can make us holy. No, hapana, we can never achieve ile standard ya Mungu. That is why it is the blood. God sees you righteous because of the blood of the Lamb, not because of the things you have done. It will never be the things you have done, because the standard, and I want to hear, nataka nimsikie tu, the standard for heaven is perfection, holiness, because that is what God is. Those who have had the privilege of experiencing God, you can for sure tell that God is so holy, so holy. You know? Now listen to these believers. You have to be really ready. You have to be really ready to die to your flesh and let Christ live. Na nimekuja kuona even eternity haitaanza ati after death. Eternity inaanzanga here on earth when you truly see God and truly understand what he truly wants for you. Because what he has for you, what he wants, what he desires for you, it is so good, hata your own eyes cannot